So learning about the measures of central tendency, which were mean, median and mode. Now let us solve practice set 7.5. Question 1. Yield of soya bean per acre in quintals in Mukund's field for 7 years was. So this is here for 7 years. So there will be 7 observations where 10, 7, 5, 3, 9, 6 and 9. So these was the yield of soya bean per acre in quintals. So there are 10 quintals, 7 quintals, 5 quintals, that way. What have they asked? Find the mean of yield per acre. So in every acre, so many quintals were present for 7 years. He got so many quintals of yield for 7 years. They want to know the mean of yield per acre. Mean is nothing but average. So what is the given data? Let us write these numbers. 10, 7, 5, 3, 10, 7, 5, 3, 9, 6 and 9. Now what is n? The number of observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So n is equal to 7. Mean is usually represented by x bar. So it is the sum of all observations upon the number of observations. Upon the number of observations. Now when we say sum of all observations, the scores what we have got here, we have to add 10 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9. The upon number of observations, that is n, which is 7. Adding here now, 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 5, that is 22. 22 plus 3, 25. Plus 9 is 34. Plus 6 is 40. Plus 9 is 49. So we have 49 upon 7. 49 upon 7. 7 goes in 49 7 times. So the mean is 7. What will be the units? They said mean of yield per acre. And the yield was given in quintals. So it is 7 quintals. So we write here mean yield of soya bean per acre is 7 quintals. See the second question here. Find the median of the observation. Whenever we have to find the median, you have to remember that whatever the observations are given, we have to arrange it. Usually we arrange it in the ascending order. So they have given some observations here. Now given data in the ascending order. So let us arrange now in the ascending order. Starting with the smallest, that is 59. So we write here 59. Then we have 68. Then we have 70. 74. 75 is repeated 2 times. And then we have 80. Let us see whether all are here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 scores here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So always it is better to confirm whether we have written down all the numbers. Now since there are 7 numbers, n will be 7. So it is an odd number. When it is an odd number, the way to find the median is different than that from when it is an even number. So when it is an odd number, what we do? Median is the value of the middle number. So how many numbers were there? There were 7. I said that when it is odd number, what we do? We add 1 to it. That is 7 plus 1. It becomes 8. 8 we divide by 2. That becomes 4. So the fourth observation in the ascending order will be the median. So we count 1, 2, 3 and 4. The fourth observation here is 74. Therefore 74 is the median. So we write here median is the value of the middle number. Middle number is 74. Therefore the median also will be 74. The third question, the marks out of 100 obtained by 7 students in the mathematics examination are given below. So that means there are 7 observations here, the marks of 7 students. They have asked the mode of these marks. If you remember, we said that the mode is the score which is repeated most number of times. The score repeated the most is 100. You see here 100 is repeated 3 times, right? And 95 once, 80 once, 90 once, even 99 is one. Only 100 is repeated 3 times. The score repeated the most is 100. Therefore the score with maximum frequency is 100. And therefore the mode of these marks is 100. So we have to just see which score is repeated most number of times, and that will be the mode of the marks. Going next to the fourth question, here you have the monthly salaries in rupees of 30 workers in a factory is as given below. These are the salaries of the people. What are we to find? The mean of the monthly salary. Now till now when we were finding the mean of the monthly salary, the mean of the numbers which were given or scores which were given to us, what we had to do is just add the scores and divide by the number of scores. But here you see the number of observations which are given are quite a lot. So we make a table here. Their salaries. So here the salaries we see they range right from 3,000. You have 4,000, 5,000. Also we have 6,000 here, 7,000, 8,000. Okay, also we have 9,000. See here we have 9,000. So the salaries vary right from 3,000 to 9,000. So in our first column we write salary in rupees, that is XI. XI is the score. So there is 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 and 9,000. Now we have to put the tally marks according to what observations they have given to us. So let us read it and do accordingly. Now first of all here we have 5,000, then 7,000, 3,000, 4,000, again 4,000, then 3 times 3,000, then 8,000, 4,000 twice, then 9,000, 3,000, 5,000 2 times, then 4,000, again 4,000, 3,000, 5,000 twice, 6,000, 8,000, 3,000 twice, 6,000, 7,000, again 7,000, 6,000 twice, and lastly we have 4,000. Okay, now we can write the frequency accordingly. Here we have 5 plus 3 which is 8. Here 5 plus 2 which is 7. Here it is just 5. Then you have 4. Here it is 3, 2 and 1. Now here we have Fi Xi, means Fi into Xi. We have to multiply this. That is 3000 into 8 that way. So we multiply 3000 into 8 is equal to 3 into 8 is 24, followed by 3 zeros. Next we have 4000 into 7 is equal to 4 into 7 is 28 and followed by 3 zeros. Then you have 5000 into 5 is equal to 5 into 5 is 25, followed by 3 zeros. Then you have 6000 into 4. 6 into 4 is 24, followed by 3 zeros. 7000 into 3. 7 into 3 is 21, followed by 3 zeros. 8000 into 2. 8 into 2 is 16, followed by 3 zeros. And last one, 9000 into 1, which is 9000. Now, what we have to do is we have to add all the frequencies and add all this, because when I have to find the mean, how do I find? Sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Sigma means total. So total of this upon total of this. So let me write here. Here sigma fi is equal to 8 plus 7, which is 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Plus 3 is 27. Plus 2 is 29, plus 1 is 30. So we write here 30. Now here we add, these 3 zeros remain the same. Now we add here 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. Plus 1 is 22. 22 plus 6 is 28. 28 plus 9 is 37. So we have 7 and 3 carried up. 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So we have 1,47,000. What is this 1,47,000? Sigma fi xi. So sigma fi xi is 1,47,000. Sigma fi is 30. Mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, which is here 1,47,000 upon 30. So here we have the zeros cancelling. Now 3 goes here. We can see that 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So 3 will go in this number. 3 goes in 14. 3 4s are 12. 2 remains. 3 goes in 27. 9 times. 3 goes in 0. 0 times. 3 goes in the next 0. 0. So the mean salary is 4,900. So we write the units, that is rupees 4,900.